Hi everyone, I'm happy to meet you all again in this new video, creative problem solving. So what is creative problem solving? If you see the meaning, creative, an idea that has an element of newness or uniqueness. A challenge, any situation that presents a challenge is a problem. Solving is devising way to answer or to resolve the problem. So in day-to-day life, we face a lot of problems and we solve it. So this is a method we follow to solve it in a creative way. So one of the best model is given, Osborn problem solving model. So in this model we have 6 steps, step by step. So we analyze the problem and we solve it. Mess finding. So to identify a situation that presents a problem. Data finding. Identify all known facts related to the situation. Then problem finding. Identify the possible problem statement and then to isolate the most important problem. Idea finding. Identify as many solutions to the problem. Then solution finding. Choose the best solution for the action. So in this concept, so you can apply our real problem in this concept and you can solve it. So as a student, so you can think about your forthcoming examination, so and you can apply in this models. So how to creatively solve it and to score more marks. So you can have, since you are having 5 subjects for your exam, so you can find out which one is which you find it difficult. So you analyze it and before the exam you pre-plan and you can solve it. So dynamic balance of creativity. So Osborn noted 2 distinct kinds of thinking that are essential for creative. Number 1 is divergent thinking. Number 2 is convergent thinking. So these type of thinking is present in every human being. So divergent thinking is generating lot of ideas and options. Convergent thinking is evaluating ideas and options and making decisions. So if you see the guidelines for divergent thinking, so defer judgment. Avoid judging ideas as bad or good in the divergent thinking. Since we generate lot of ideas and options, so avoid judging in the thinking phase itself. Then combine and build. So use one idea as a springboard for another. So as we generate lot of options, so already we can see that so one and the other option is connected to each other. The seek wild ideas. Stretch to create wild ideas. Go for quantity. So as far as we generate lot of ideas, so we can find as well as we can choose the best one for our problem. Then convergent thinking guidelines. So since we have generated lot of options, based on that divergent thinking options, so we can choose the best one. So be deliberate. Give every option a fair chance. Avoid harsh judgment. So check your objectivity. Verify choices against objectivity in each step. Improve your ideas. Not all ideas are workable solution. Take time to improve ideas. So be affirmative. First consider what is good about an idea, then eliminate others. Consider novelty. So do not dismiss novel or original ideas. So convergent thinking is we have to think all those things. So which one is the best one, which has more advantages, which has least minor points. Then as well as which one is the best. So we have to choose and we have to apply it. So that is convergent thinking. Okay. So decision making. So if we see the definition of decision making, is it a selection of course of action from among alternatives. So under that we have 2 types, programmed decision and non-programmed decision. So programmed decision is well structured. Decision rules and procedures are used. So non-programmed decision is poorly structured and we can use a new judgment and creativity. So we have 6 processes in decision making. Number 1 is identify and diagnose the problem. The same thing we can apply. So, as previously we saw in the creative problem solving. So, in decision making also we can bring it in this 6 process. Then first identifying the problem, then identification of alternatives. What are the alternatives we can follow? Then evaluation of alternatives. So, you have to evaluate. So, we have since we apply our divergent thinking and we have framed a lot of options. So, we have to evaluate which one is the best, evaluation of the alternatives. Then choose the choice of alternatives, choose the most suitable one which is applicable. Then implementation. So, after choosing you implement that option for action. Then evaluation. So, after applying that decision, so we have to evaluate which what we have applied is worked out well. So, these are the guidelines of convergent thinking. Okay. So, in this video we saw what is creative problem solving. So, what is Osborn-Parnes creative model. So, under that we have what are the steps, then what is decision making. So, we have 6 process. So, in these things we have 2 creative thinking. So, we apply in everywhere. So, that is divergent thinking and convergent thinking. Thank you.